everyone, I'm going to show you really quickly how you can make an app icon for your app. So if you've been following along with the last two videos, we made a really simple text-to-speech app with different accents. And if you look in the assets, there's an app icon spot, but we don't have any images there. So let me show you how to get those. So to get an app icon in here, we will first need to go to this website, MakeAppIcon.com, and I will link that in the description. And then we need to create a app icon. So I made this in Canva, canva.com. It's a free graphic design program online. And I'm going to download this this image that I just created. Alright, and so I've downloaded on my computer. I can come into MakeAppIcon.com, choose a file. And it takes your image, puts it into this toaster, it's baking it, and when it finishes it will email you the folder with all your app icons in it. Then you enter your email address here. Okay, so inside the folder that MakeAppIcon.com sent me, there's going to be three. There's Android, iMessenger, and iOS. I don't need the Android or the iMessenger, I just need the one in iOS. And I am going to take this one right here, App Icon Set, and I'm going to drop it into my assets. When I do that, you'll notice that this turns into App Icon -1. So I can delete this old App Icon folder and then just change this to my App Icon. Alright. So I just deleted the unassigned child, and then you have all your app icons for your app. So now that you have the app icon, you can upload it to TestFlight, and you can put your app on different people's phones. So that was it, pretty easy. Thanks for watching.